Look it, Rylan has the hiccups. You have the hiccups? Hiccup! Hiccup! What do you think about that? You're silly. You're silly. Yeah. Say I have the hiccups, Mommy. Do something about it. Hiccup? Hiccup? You're saying, no, not again. Hiccups are no fun. They're annoying. Yeah. Hiccup. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say, Grandma, I love you. I love you, Grandma. Okay, bye.